Welcome to the SOLIDPLANT 2014 demo. In this demo, I'll be showing you how to create a general arrangement or a GA drawing for production purposes of your plant. These drawings are used to place your equipment, place your pipelines, and other structure. You can see we have a plant open, and I'll click on the New Drawing button. This will open a new drawing template for us with our view rectangle active. I want to place a top view, so I will click that, and I will set a custom scale of 1 to 50. Enter that, zoom out, and place my view on the drawing sheet. I then want to place an elevation view, in this case, my left view. Once again, I will set a custom scale of 50 and place that. Now, as I zoom in to this model, you'll notice quite easily that everything is in black lines. Our pipe lines, our structure, our equipment. Some companies prefer, and some standards use for clarity, colorized lines. We have an option for that in SolidWorks. We can simply go to the SolidWorks options, click on that button. This will open the SolidWorks options pane. And on here we click the Documents Properties tabs, and then we go down to Detailing. And I will select Use Model, Color, and Drawings. And while I'm in the SolidWorks options, I want to change my units. So I will set a custom units using millimeters, and then I will remove the numbers behind the decimal place. And then we say OK. Now in just a moment you'll see that here we have all of the pipelines in color. This is very handy for clarity. Match from side to side. All of your drawing views would use the same colors, so when looking from one view to the next, it's much easier to see an individual pipeline. The next thing we want to do is place some dimensions on the drawing. We'll use a standard SolidWorks Smart Dimension tool, and I will click on the center sketch line for this pipe and this pipe beneath, and drag that over here to place it. Very simple, very easy method to place your lines. There's another one, and I will add one more. These dimensions would of course update with any changes in the design of your plant. Now I want to place a tag on this pipe. So I'll select this pipe section, and then on the toolbar I will select my line number. This places the line number, which has the information as it was configured in the SolidPLANT project. This contains the information such as the specification, the diameter, the main size. However your line number was set up in the properties for your plant, they will appear here in your drawing. We also have some other dimensions available for your pipes. These are standard pipe dimensions, top, center, or bottom of pipe dimension. Here I will place a center of pipe dimension, and this gives me the elevation of my pipe to the reference level of the plant, in this case the ground. And there I've quickly placed my dimension in SolidPLANT 2014.